Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we will learn how we can manage our Facebook timelines and how can we set the Facebook timelines according to our needs. Actually, timeline is something when someone visits your profile and she will be able to see all the posts related to you or your friends. If they tagged you and you allow them to post on your profile, by default Facebook allow your friends to post on your profile by tagging you. So if the post is related to your friend but you are tagged on that post, it will be displaying on your profile. So to manage these activities and to review these activities, if someone tags you and you want to review first and then allow to post on your Facebook profile. Okay, so you need to visit your Facebook and click on the hamburger icon, and then you need to go into the account settings. Account setting will be under the help and setting tab. Here it is, help and setting tab, and here are the account settings. You need to click here, and then at the fourth option you will be able to see the timeline and tagging option. In the timeline and tagging option, you can see the first option is who can post on your timeline. By default it is friends, and if I do not want that my friends post on my timeline, then I can also send it to only me. But generally I recommend that my friends can also post on my profile. For example, if there is an event and my friend want to tell me, that he can also post on my profile. And who can see my profile, that like friends of friends, like if you post on Facebook, then your friends of friends will be able to see all the posts. Okay, like Ali is my friend, and Hamza is the Ali's friend, then Hamza is also able to view my post because he is Ali friends. Okay, so this is the friends of friends feature. If you want that only your friends will be able to see your post due to your privacy, then you can also select here, or you can also allow everyone to post, actually to see your posts. Okay, the great option is that you can, here the review option, you can set the review options. Like if someone tag you, it will not display until you approve. Okay, so I have on this option, so whenever I tagged in some post, Facebook first ask me either I want to allow it or not. If I do not allow it, then the tagged will be removed from that post and will not display on my profile. Okay, so if I allow it, then it will display. Okay, so anyone cannot randomly tag you and display the things on your profile. Got it? So this is the review feature that is much more important in the time lagging tagging center and tagging options. Okay, you can also see the option that who can see posts that you tagged on your timeline. For example, if someone visit my profile and he is not my friend, either I am willing to display these posts to them or not. Like I have by default everything, everyone, and you can allow your friends only, they will be able to see the post that you are tagged in, or you can allow everyone to see the post that you were tagged in or you are tagged in. Okay, so I will recommend you the review option again. This option gives you the opportunity to review the post first, then approve, then allow the post to add or visible on your profile. So let me know if you have any questions under comments. I will be answering all of them. If the video was helpful, please feel free to like it, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. And thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.